Alright guys, I got a meeting in about 15 minutes, so I'm going to show you how quickly we can build a funnel inside Clickfunnels. It should take less than 15 minutes maybe. This is the platform of my new Clickfunnels account. Uh, Obviously it's new, I don't have any money and very low page views. This is basically my account where I build everything for you guys to see. You gotta go up here in the funnels. We're gonna create a new one. It brings up to this platform. This platform is just so easy to use. It comes with a cookbook, and you can create your very own funnel. They give you a bunch of different options. Webinar funnels, homepage funnels, storefront, squeeze page, bridge, sales letter, webinar, application, lead magnet, survey, summit, ads campaign, product launch, everything. I mean, this program comes with everything. We're gonna build a squeeze page funnel real quick just to get people's information for a little, give them a little bribe, so to speak. So you come up with this page, and then we're just gonna do a completely blank squeeze page, just so we can show you how quick and how easy we can get it up and running. Sorry, I'm watching the news before I go in. It's taking me a little bit longer to load for some reason, but that's alright. The good thing about ClickFunnels is there's two options for your account. You can do just a basic ClickFunnels account where you can just build funnels, or you can get Actionetics and Backpack, which Backpack is basically so you can see all of your affiliates that are under you and chat with all of them. Actionetics is like an autoresponder where you can just set everything up right from inside the system. Alright, let's go down to, let's do something like this. Mother funnel vintage squeeze. I like doing these because it's a basic call to action, telling people what the problem is, and then giving them a call to action. Simple, right? One, the strategy you're about to discover could produce life-changing results. Lose at your own risk. Free video exposes the weird strategy, blah, blah, blah. Alright, we're going to do a different thing because we're just going to do like this funnel. Enter your information to get this done for you on marketing system for free. We'll pull that part. Let's see if you want to change the colors. Come here and it should be black already. Oh, black. Look at that. That's your name. Look at that. Everything is literally done for you already. Look at that. You're done. Now that we're done the actual funnel itself, we're going to integrate a couple things. Now you got to go through how to set up the integration in a different video, but settings, integration, I already have my Aweber and get response set up for me. Just go to Aweber, integrate into existing form. We'll give them the ClickFunnels and bam, save. That page is absolutely done. If you want to edit it, all you have to do, look, hover over it, delete sections, add sections, full width. That adds a completely new section for you. Rows, you can add new rows, one column row. Say you want to add a picture, add new element, image. Bam, there's a new image for you. Click on it, go over, select an image. I mean, like, come on guys, this is literally the easiest platform. It is literally drag and drop. Now that it's saved, go back, go to your thank you page. Come on. Come on. Normally it's not this slow, but I'm upstairs, so. And then you can do, since it was the video, oh shit. We're gonna click on this one. We're not gonna use the video. So, I mean, Clickfunnels, like everything that you use in here is just it's so user friendly. It's such an amazing platform and program. I mean, look, everything is literally done for you. But let me just say, thanks. Your email with your done for you. My marketing system is on its way to your email you provided now. And then this is how we're going to change the font size. Pretty simple. Delete the video. And then add a new row. And then if you want to add your Facebook or anything, just search your share buttons. What else do we got here? We got headlines, bullet lists, pop-up images, video pop-ups, audio player, Facebook opt-in. Once you click this, it brings you right to subscribe to our Facebook. Once you click that, it'll bring you right to Facebook. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Very, very simple. So, literally, page is done. Now, if you want to add a domain, you basically just go to your settings. We'll go over the integrated domains and everything a little bit later. But, I mean, look, click Make My Funnel. That's one of the domains I have on here. And now it's updated. Now once you go to makemyfunnel.com, it's going to be there. See? Okay. Now we can also change the path name and the exit name. Blank squeeze page funnel. Our first funnel. Try it. YouTube video funnel. So now it's going to be makemyfunnel.com. Well, it'll change back to YouTube video thing. Alright, see how easy that is? Now look, we're going to go here. And now it's live. All the squeeze pages. Look at that. That is perfect. Link this funnel and your information. So when someone goes here, enters in, gets their access, they're there. Now my email is captured. Look at that. Under 10 minutes to build a funnel. What other program do you know that you can do that with? Less than 10 minutes to build your very first funnel. Okay, now we're gonna go make some more videos on how to put your domain in and everything. So take a look, and I'll see you on the next video.